The anti-wind pressure door hardware is mainly used for emergency evacuation doors in rail transit tunnels, due to the continuous positive and negative pressure effects of wind pressure on the door during the operation of the subway. The escape device for the subway evacuation passage must meet the national standard commercial level requirements. The hardware configuration of Kinlong precision wind pressure resistant door has not only passed the highest level 3 wind pressure test, but also passed the 1.5R fire test and 500,000 life tests. Anti-wind pressure push rod lock. The 4 locking points ensure good wind pressure resistance, overall high-end atmosphere, strong surface corrosion resistance, and ensure the safety, stability, and performance of the product. Eccentric door shaft, including upper shaft, intermediate shaft, and lower shaft. Made of 304 stainless steel, with full precision casting production, with a load-bearing capacity of up to 300 kilograms, adjusting the gap without disassembly, and convenient operation. American Standard Door Closer. American Standard Level 1 certification, with adjustable door closing speed in 2 stages and over 2 million opening times. Anti-detachment safety chain. Double safety is formed with an eccentric door shaft to ensure that the door leaf will not fall off and cause safety accidents under extreme wind pressure conditions. Kinlong Precision has always been committed to protecting people's lives and property. Safety, making life better.